Convert 4 and 2/3 to an improper fraction. Answer is 14/3. Simplify 4/7. Answer is 4/7. 4/5 plus 1/6 equals? Answer is 29/30. Convert 17/9 to a mixed number. Answer is 1 August 9th. 1/2 minus 1/2 equals? Answer is 0. 8/9 minus 1/9 equals? Answer is 7/9. What is 4/6 of 72? Answer is 48. Convert 10/8 to a mixed number. Answer is 1 February 8th. Convert 3 and 1/7 to an improper fraction. Answer is 22/7. Simplify 2/7. Answer is 2/7. Convert 5 and 1/2 to an improper fraction. Answer is 11/2. Which fraction is equivalent to 3/6? Answer is 9/18. 2/3 plus 3/6 equals? Answer is 7/6. Convert 41/8 to a mixed number. Answer is 5 and 1/8. 3/7 minus 2/7 equals? Answer is 1/7. Simplify 5/6. Answer is May 6th. Convert 28/6 to a mixed number. Answer is 4 April 6th. What is 2/6 of 90? Answer is 30. Convert 5 and 3/5 to an improper fraction. Answer is 28/5. Convert 6 and 8/9 to an improper fraction. Answer is 62/9.